Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV14 isn't picking up properly, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue usually arises from a blockage or a malfunctioning trigger. If left unattended, it can lead to further damage to the vacuum or even reduced lifespan. Today, we will walk you through the repair process step by step to get your Dyson back in working order. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement trigger for the Dyson SV14. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. To start, ensure the vacuum is unplugged for safety. Locate the release button on the back of the handle and press it to detach the bin. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws that secure the handle cover. There should be 3 screws in total, so make sure to keep them safe as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry off the handle cover using your flathead screwdriver. Take care not to damage any clips as you do this. With the cover removed, you should see the trigger mechanism. This is the part that often fails and causes suction issues. Locate the trigger and gently disconnect any attached cables, noting where they connect for reassembly later. Now, remove the faulty trigger by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. Be cautious with the screws as they can be small and easy to lose. Once the old trigger is out, take your new trigger and position it carefully in the same place as the old one. Reattach the screws, making sure they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the plastic. Reconnect any cables you previously detached, ensuring they are firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Place the cover back on, ensuring that all clips are properly aligned, and replace the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is secure, reattach the bin to the handle. To check if your Dyson is now working properly, plug it in and test the suction. If it picks up debris as it should, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your vacuum. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, regularly check for blockages in the hose and filter, and ensure that the trigger mechanism is kept clean and free from debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.